All right. Welcome back to Prep for Calc. We're going to jump in and do another, what do they call it? Not a knowledge check, placement exam. Let's do it. Why not? Shoot. I might not have enough time. Let's see what happens. Let's try it. Talk to you in a bit. All right, guys. Well, I finished up the exam. It took, how long did it take? 45 minutes or something? 50 minutes? I don't know. Anyway, there were tons of questions on there that I did not practice at all in the past like 40 days on Alex, even though I had 100% of the pie. There was plenty of things I hadn't seen before, like graphing functions with like high, what do you call them, degrees. That's something I did pre-calc algebra. I did not do that here. Some trig stuff I had never done. Add or sum to find the equation, something along those lines. There's some trig I hadn't seen before. Oh, period. I did not practice finding the period of a trig function or equation. But anyway, probably missed a few, but I don't even know if that was part of pre-calc. I don't know. But we got a 99 in the placement. Last time was at 78, so I mean, pretty massive. Here's the breakdown. It looks like we got everything right except for 2 trig topics. So great, actually, that's perfect to practice more. Improve your score and or your grade in the upcoming class by working in the prep and learning module. You can take the placement assessment 3 hours. I don't know if I'm going to take the placement assessment anymore. What the hell? It still has my pi at 100%. It doesn't even tell me what I missed. Whoa, yeah. And did it say 27 out of 29? I'm gonna be back in a sec. I gotta check what that said. It did say 27 out of 29, and there's only 27 on this. This is why I was seeing things I'd never practiced before. How do I see those? I want to practice those. Will it show me? It won't even show me what I missed. And I can't practice them because there's... Well... There may be something. Nope. Anyway, I guess that's it for Alex. I guess that's the end of the series. I don't know. I can't see the other 2. There's only 27 trigs I can see. There's nothing left to do then. Took me 38 minutes. The first time that's serious improvement though, guys. Check this out. On October 22nd, 2025, which would have been about 50 days ago. Maybe not quite, but just about, probably. No, it'd have been about 47 days ago, I think. Anyway, 78, it took me an hour and 17 minutes. The only pi that I finished complete or 100% was whole number, fractions, and decimals. Everything else I missed some amount. Trig was very bad. Exponential logarithms was pretty bad. Relations function wasn't great. Actually, here we go. Sines, numbers, linear equations, inequalities. I got that right. Took an hour and 17 minutes, and that was that. Got a 78. This time, it took me 38 minutes, which is like almost half. And then everything I got right, except for these 2 trig topics that I can't find on the pie. When I go to my pie and I click J, there's only 27 topics. There's 0 to learn. So yeah, like I said, that's it for Alex. Looks like we might start Khan Academy soon. Maybe. We'll see. Final little timeline here. If we do timeline details and then we go to all, there's the final timeline. Started at 197 topics, ended on 281, all 281. So, yep. Yeah, that's it for this series. I will see you in the next one. See ya.